Welcome back to Wink News at noon. The big thing here, heat and humidity. If you walk outside, you know exactly what we're talking about.
Yeah, you walk outside, you know exactly what season it is.
Yeah.
It's summer, guys, and we're going to feel like this for a while. And of course, we have our usual summer thunderstorms on the way later on. Right now, though, you can still get outside and enjoy the rain-free conditions. Looking quiet on Wink News Doppler radar. It will not be the case, though, on the way home today. All right, heading into the afternoon, notice things are pretty quiet on Wink News Doppler radar. All the activity is on the East Coast. Some of this is drifting over Lake O, so you might get a little bit of this activity in Glades and Hendry counties. But for right now, things are quiet. They're not necessarily going to stay that way all day long. As we head into the second half of the afternoon, into the evening, that's when our storm chances will start to go up. Hi, John. Yeah, we do have more storms on the way. And guess what? We have rain right now already on Doppler radar, getting kind of an early start today. This will just increase in coverage as we head into the afternoon and evening. Now, we do have a couple of heavy rain areas along Alligator Alley. Immokalee, this is heading your way, so you're going to see some rain shortly. And also some heavy rain right in around Moorhaven.
Welcome back to Wink News at noon. The big thing here, heat and humidity. If you walk outside, you know exactly what we're talking about.
Yeah, you walk outside, you know exactly what season it is.
Yeah.
It's summer, guys, and we're going to feel like this for a while. And of course, we have our usual summer thunderstorms on the way later on. Right now, though, you can still get outside and enjoy the rain-free conditions. Looking quiet on Wink News Doppler radar. It will not be the case, though, on the way home today. Getting a look at current temperatures. I'm actually going to start with temperatures. We're right at 90 in Naples. We're seeing plenty of 9s right now on this map. 90 Palmdale, Immokalee 89, and we're hanging on to 89 at Pagefield and Fort Myers. But these temperatures will continue to climb. Now, wind pretty calm right now, but dew points are in the 70s. And when you see dew points in the 70s, which is typical for us this time of year, it makes those feels like temperatures go up. 98 is what it feels like right now in Fort Myers, and just get a load of this. Yeah, it feels like triple digits in a few spots, feeling like 102 Sebring. 97 is what it feels like in Marco Island, 99 Naples. So it's feeling a few degrees warmer. It's due to that humidity. Just make sure you stay cool and stay hydrated, and more of the same expected as we head into the rest of the week. Now, our Sanibel Harbor Marriott SkyCam, look at that. People heading over the causeway. I don't blame them. Pretty nice at the beach. We have a few clouds out there, but we're pretty dry. That's downtown Fort Myers. And you look at our Doppler radar, there's not a whole lot going on right now. Later on today, though, that will change. Looking at scattered storms developing in the afternoon and evening around 7 o'clock, so that could impact your dinner plans. Through about 10 o'clock, we'll continue to see some rain lingering. It comes to an end overnight. We might see a little bit of rain in the Gulf tomorrow morning. That's 7 a.m., but your morning commute should be just fine. The afternoon commute, though, scattered rain and storms once again, both today and for your Friday. Highs mid-90s inland, and remember, it's going to feel warmer when you factor in that humidity. We got a west wind 5 to 10 miles per hour, and we are expecting upper 80s, low 90s at the coast and at the beaches. West wind by this afternoon for boaters 5 to 10 knots, Gulf waves 2 feet or less, light chop in the bays, and water temperature up to 86. Now, I do want to show you a viewer photo because this is kind of cool. Bobcat sneaking around while I was working. This is from Joel, and what a great thing to see while you're out and about. Your 7-day forecast, check it out, going into the weekend. Now, we got 93 today, 93 tomorrow, 93 Saturday. I'm repeating myself, but the forecast isn't going to change a whole lot. Scattered rain and storms for your Friday. You can see that right here continuing. It's that afternoon, evening time period. Same story on Saturday. So scattered rain and storms build in throughout the day and afternoon. Will be a little drier Sunday and Monday, but back to scattered storms on Tuesday. Sean?
Not seeing anything as crazy as that, but we are tracking some things in the tropics we want folks to know about at home.
Yes, definitely. You know, I know a lot of you are heading into the weekend and you're thinking about those weekend plans, but I want you to have some attention on the tropics this weekend, because we're going to start to see the development of a system that could potentially affect us. Well, it's likely to affect us early next week. So I'm talking Monday through Wednesday. That's when we're going to feel the effects of this system right here. Through the weekend, it's pretty much going to be business as usual, but this area of interest right here, right now, over the next 48 hours, only about a 10% chance of development. But as we head into the time frame after Sunday afternoon, that's when things get going, and that's when it has a pretty good chance of development. So you're going to want to stick around for updates this weekend. We're going to have all the details you need. You definitely want to keep it right here. So it is just a cluster of thunderstorms right now. It's been trying to get a center of circulation. It's still very disorganized. This is our tropical satellite getting a closer look. Now, I actually do want to show you our future track. This actually does take a look at tropical weather. This is our in-house model, and And this just kind of gives you an idea of how it will look over the next couple of days. So today, yeah, it's showing that disorganization, those thunderstorms, pretty well. As we head into tomorrow afternoon, look what happens. You start to see a little bit of circulation there as it heads by the Yucatan Peninsula. Now into Sunday afternoon, it's in the Gulf, and you notice it's starting to look more like what you would expect from a tropical system. It is going to affect us in early next week, starting Monday into Tuesday, Wednesday. And so what it could bring for us is it could potentially become a tropical storm, or even if it does not develop, it could produce a lot of rain in our area and a lot of wind. So that's the track. It's supposed to curve into the Gulf and then become a threat to the Gulf Coast of Florida, us especially. Now, these are the things that it has in favor for formation. Very warm water in the Gulf. I'm showing you this right now. This is water temperatures in the 80s. Yeah, it's warm out there. That helps with development. Now, what does not help with development is wind shear, and there's plenty of it in the Gulf right now. So this is through Monday. There's still plenty of shear. We'll see what happens, but I think as it moves closer to our area, it's at the very least going to be a nuisance. A lot of rain, wind, even severe weather possible, but it could come near our area, potentially as a named tropical system. We're going to keep you updated for the next couple of days. Very important that you stick with us, and if you have any questions, go to weeknews.com and click on Hurricane Central. That will at least help you get prepared.